Welcome aboard and welcome along to the latest edition for the channel, and as you can see today I'm back at the seaside here at Great Yarmouth. As per, I picked up my wristband before I've come in. It is still wristband entry only. For the off-peak advanced wristband it is £23 today, on the gate 25. A little moan to begin with, I don't like being negative but I've got to include these sort of things. The online booking system was an absolute faff. I tried to book it, it weren't accepting the email, it wasn't letting me re-register, it weren't letting me reset the password. So I had to get Sarah in the end to send me her email to sort it all out. So yeah, a bit of a thumbs down on that one. However, more positive note, can't wait to get back in here and get on the 1932 roller coaster and some other heritage great rides here at the Pleasure Beach. Let's go! Yeah, the inverting plane ride Lightning 360. Yeah, that's still really good fun. Had a couple of goes on it. Got the old plane spinning a bit. You can't beat 93-year-old heritage. And here we have it, roller coaster. Yeah, this coaster's definitely got echoes of the one over at Bottoms, Rock and Roller, same manufacturer, same location, right next to the sea. Lockers are still available, £1 to use them, just put your £1 in there, and that actually accommodates something that size, which is obviously my bag, but yeah, really good one on Great Yarmouth as I said last time. Righto folks, on my way out you've got the Caterpillar there, start spinner, just say location, yeah, it's been an alright day. Here at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach, got the Dumbos at a stand. After the initial faff of getting the wristband sorted online, it all went pretty smoothly really. Anyway, the next one for me will be South Wales in a couple of weeks. What should have been Oakwood, you've got the Youcut, we've got a new ride there as well. That weren't there last year, Haunted Hotel. Ghost Train. Yeah, it should have been Oakwood, but it's going to be Coney Beach and Barry Island. So yeah, for this one it is 2.5 for now. Thanks for watching. Dodgems. Catch you soon.